Hey guys, welcome to Ultimate Tube TV. Be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. You can also hit that post notification bell to notify you whenever new videos are available. Hey guys, check this out. Dababy is at the airport making money raining down on him. I'm gonna let you all check it out.
In this show specifically, is slow planning for your own performance.
So hold on. See, I came out in my pajamas today. I was running late, right? You see what I'm saying? Get my boy Ray in there.
Yo, shiny man, you good?
I was running late, right? You see what I'm saying? Bitch caught me outside. I think she worked for TMZ. She said, "Why you got on 2 watches, baby?" I said, "Bitch, I'm on double time."
So there you have it, guys. Dababy even posted saying that he needs to do things like this more often. It's good for his soul. And even after all that, he stated that I'm broke, I pick it up and gave it back to my homeboy. We have come to the end of the video, guys. Be sure to leave your comments down below to tell me what you think. And if you like the video, please leave a like and remember to subscribe.